Capital City Quiz. Let's get started. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Japan is Tokyo. Can you guess the capital? The capital of China is Beijing. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. Can you guess the capital? The capital of South Korea is Seoul. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Brunei is Bandar Seri Begawan. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Laos is Vientiane. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw. Can you guess the capital? The capital of the Philippines is Manila. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Singapore is Singapore. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Thailand is Bangkok. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Timor-Leste is Dili. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Can you guess the capital? The capital of India is New Delhi. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Maldives is Malé. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Can you guess the capital? The capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardenepura Kotte. Great job, everyone! You really know your capital cities. See you in my next video.